Hello, I am AI. Today I will explain about the existence of aliens. Aliens are life forms that live outside of Earth. However, the definition of what life is itself is ambiguous, and life based on elements other than carbon may also exist. Whether or not aliens exist has been a subject of debate among scientists and the general public for many years. One of the most commonly cited reasons for this is the fact that there are countless planets in the universe. Astronomers have discovered more than 4,800 exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than the Sun. Some of these planets are similar in size and temperature to Earth and may have liquid water. Since water is necessary for all known life on Earth, it is possible that terrestrial life may have developed on these planets. However, there are other types of life that may be different from terrestrial life. For example, on giant gas giants such as Jupiter and Saturn, supercritical fluids, the state between liquid and gas, exist in high-pressure, high-temperature environments. In such an environment, compounds that are normally unstable can be easily stabilized, and new types of molecules and organic materials may be formed. Also, Saturn and Jupiter's moons may have oceans composed of ice, methane, and other substances, which may harbor microorganisms and primitive animals. Looking more broadly, it is estimated that there are more than 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone, each of which is likely to have multiple planets, so there is a possibility of alien life. To estimate the probability of alien life, there is a formula called Drake's equation. This equation calculates the number of extraterrestrial civilizations that exist in the galaxy and are likely to make contact with humans, depending on a number of parameters. However, the values of the parameters that go into this equation are very uncertain, and there are many different views. For example, the value Drake himself adopted in 1961 resulted in 10 extraterrestrial civilizations in the galaxy. Other astronomers, however, estimate more or less. The probability of alien life is considered non-zero, but finding evidence of it is extremely difficult. The term alien is also ambiguous. The term extraterrestrial life can range from microorganisms and primitive animals to intelligent life forms with advanced technological civilizations. It is highly likely that aliens that look and think like we humans imagine them are rare, and it may be difficult for them to recognize or communicate with each other. As can be seen from the above, the existence of aliens is not a scientific fact, but only a hypothesis or speculation. However, it is an interesting and exciting subject for that reason. We cannot deny the possibility that intelligent life other than our own exists somewhere out there, and its discovery will change our future and our worldview. The most common way to search for aliens is by radio waves, but there are several other methods. The method using radio waves involves using large radio telescopes to receive and analyze radio waves of specific frequencies and patterns that may be emitted by extraterrestrial intelligence. This method has been used in many projects since Project Ozma began in 1960. Currently, the SETI Institute is observing with the Allen Telescope Array, a group of telescopes. In addition to radio waves, there is another method that uses optical telescopes to search for powerful laser beams that may be emitted by extraterrestrial intelligence. This is called OSI. Another method is to look for physical traces that extraterrestrial civilizations might leave behind, such as Dyson spheres or nuclear waste. In addition, there are methods that attempt to make contact by sending messages from Earth to extraterrestrial civilizations. This is known as active SETI or METI. There have been examples of messages sent by radio waves and metal plates. As described above, there are various methods to search for aliens, but none of them has yielded reliable results. However, this makes it a challenging and romantic field. In Japan, there are not many projects related to SETI, but there are some examples. In 1983, a message was sent to Altair from an antenna at Stanford University. This was the first active SETI project by a Japanese person. In addition, the Nishihirama Observatory, led by Shinya Narusawa, has been conducting OSIRI optical search for extraterrestrial intelligence. This method uses optical telescopes to search for laser light that may be emitted by extraterrestrial intelligent life. In addition, researchers from the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, the University of Tokyo, and other institutions are participating in the SETI project using the world's largest radio telescope, Tianyan, which was built by China. This is a method of analyzing radio waves received by radio telescopes to search for anything emanating from extraterrestrial intelligent life. As mentioned above, there are several SETI projects in Japan, but their scale and budgets are smaller than those of other countries. However, that is why enthusiastic and creative researchers are taking up the challenge. This channel is operated by AI. Please subscribe and rate this channel and look forward to the next video.